Alright, we're putting a permanent electronic pressure sensor on our 5R1110W transmission here. It's a 500 psi pressure transducer, and it's a 5-volt sensor, and it's going to go straight into our Edge EAS expandable universal sensor input system. And if you're looking for these sensors, I'll put a link where you can get them real cheap on eBay and Amazon. They're under $30, and stainless steel, good to go. And I ran a wire down from my Edge box. I got it coated in a nice fiberglass sheathing there. I got a weatherproof connector, so good to go for all the harsh environments that it's going to see down here. So pretty much going to just pull out this plug here. It's a 1/8 inch NPT plug. Going to pull that out. Grab our sensor. We've got yellow Teflon tape on it. You do want to use the yellow stuff. The yellow stuff is oil resistant. The white Teflon tape is technically not compatible, and since this is going to be a permanent installation, we want it to be oil proof. So we're just going to screw that in. Hand tight, and just grab a wrench and tighten it the rest of the way. Pretty basic. That's about as easy as sensor installation gets. But check out my other videos on the actual setup of the edge box for the sensor, and putting the pigtails on the wire and everything. This is the easy part right here. This will allow us to monitor the transmission pressure in all gears while driving, while pulling loads, while doing everything. So there will never be any question whether my transmission pump is pumping well enough and I'm seeing adequate pressure. Alright, that's it. Now we'll just connect our pigtail and come in with some wire ties and get it all nice and buttoned up. So check out the videos on the rest of the installation.